Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing a updated brow routine. I feel like it's been forever since I've done a video on it, so I felt like it was about that time. Also, if you want to see the tutorial for this eye look, that is posted as well on my channel, so go check that out. Now let's get right into it and start on this brow tutorial. First, I'm going to be taking an eyebrow razor and really just cleaning up whatever hairs need to be taken off. And if your brow hairs grow really thick, I wouldn't recommend this. I would say tweeze because your hairs will grow back thicker. I'm going to be using Benefit's Foolproof Brow Powder. This is in the number 3. It has a lighter and a darker shade. The front and middle of my brow, I like to use that lighter shade. The tail of my brow, I use a darker. I'm going to draw a line from the front to the middle. So once you draw that line, I like to start pulling the brow powder up. And if you feel like it kind of looks crazy and it's too dark, just take the spoolie and start brushing through it. So once the front and the middle are filled into your liking, I'm gonna go in with the darker. The tail of my eyebrow is kind of thin, so I do like to make it a little bit bigger when I'm filling it in. First, I'll fill in where my brow hairs are. Be adding the darker powder outside of the brow just to make it a little bit thicker. So once my brow is all filled in, I like to take the spoolie and just brush through your brow hairs, and I brush up because when I put my brow gel in it, this is the way that I go, like I brush everything up. So now that the brows are filled in, I'm going to be going in with my concealer and a small concealing brush. This is the AOA Studio F16 brush. And I'm just going to start carving out my brow. And the concealer that I'm using is the Too Faced concealer. I like to take my concealer down a little bit, and then I put my eye base like whatever's left over. The next step I do when I'm doing my foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back to finish the brows. Now I'm going to clean up my brows with the foundation, and I'm just going to take it right on top of the brow. Then I just take my brush and blend it out. Now time to finish off the eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Got To Be Glued gel. This is actually gel for your hair, but brow gel doesn't work for my brow hairs, so I use hair gel. Yeah. I just put some on my hand. Then I take a spoolie and I dip it into the gel. Once I dipped it all into the gel, I start brushing it through my brows. And I'm pulling them up, kind of fluff them out, but I don't fluff them out like all the way. Once I fluffed out this side, I go back, I take the same spoolie and I brush the hairs back down, and then your brow is going to look something like that. And that is my updated brow routine. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!